Hey, my friends, it's Mr. DC coming at you with another video. Sup, folks? So we're going to look at another transformation. We're going to look at what a dilation is. And just to sum it up, a dilation is where something grows or shrinks. And the best way to describe it is using a magnifying glass or when you zoom in or zoom out on a picture. So when we make a object bigger, we can say that we've zoomed in on it, or we've zoomed out to make it smaller. And we're going to see how we do that on the coordinate grid. So my task right now is I want to dilate this triangle by a factor of 3. And we're going to do the center of dilation is the origin. So remember the origin is 0, 0. All right, so the first thing I'm going to look at is I got my 3 vertices listed for a triangle ABC. And I'm just going to look at point A quickly. So you can see that we have -3 and 1. So again, starting from the origin, we go -1, -2, -3. So 3 units to the left and 1 unit up. All right, so we're 3 units across and 1 unit up. So my next step is going to be, well, when we dilate by a factor of 3, those distances are going to be multiplied by 3. So essentially, we are going to triple the length. So my new point is going to be 3. So if I look across, it'll be 3 units times 3 for my factor. So that will be 3 times 3, which is 9. So we're going to go 9 units from the center. Okay, so that puts that there. So there's 9 units. And then point A just goes up 1. So 3 times that would be 1 times 3, which is 3. So let's go up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So my new point is going to be right there. I'll make this green, nice little lime green here. There we are. Okay, so another way that we can do this is we can look at the distances from the center of dilation. Now keep in mind that the center of dilation is the origin. So we're going to, I'm just going to highlight the origin there so you know where the center is. What we can do is we can multiply the coordinates by our dilation amount. So in this case, the 3 is what we call a scale factor. A scale factor just says multiply everything by that amount. So -3 and 1, don't worry about the signs, just worry about the numbers. So -3, again, we're going to multiply both coordinates by 3. That'll give me -9. And 1 times 3 is 3. That's where I plotted my first point. And because I am one fun guy, I totally forgot that we need A prime. Just write that one more time. There we go. That's the stuff. All right, so the same thing will go for B and C. So we can think about it, point B as 3 units right and 3 units up. Okay, so those are my distances. But again, the scale factor says multiply it by 3. All right, so 3 times 3 for both of those will be 9. So 9 and 9. We'll look at C as well. So C 2 times 3, C prime. It's going to be 6. -3 times 3 is -9. So now we got all 3 points, and now we can plot them. So B is going to be 9 and 9. That's going to get in the way of my scale factor there. So let's fix that there, shall we? We'll write it on after. So we have 9 and 9, which is up here. Hey, stop it. Do that. I can just fool it, then I won't do the dot. Oh, come on. What you doing there? There we go, better. And then 6, -9 will be my other one. So 6, -9 is going to be way down here, right next to my dialog box. So here we are. Hey, stop doing that. Microsoft Whiteboard. There we go. All right, and from here I can connect them. So I'm just going to put a thicker line here. So let's go 3. Just so you can see what this image is going to look like. So again, this one here is A prime. Up here is B prime. And down here is going to be C prime. Now we can connect them together. So here we go. Going B. And then going down to C. And then going over back to A. Just like that. All right, so you can see that with the dilation, our object has now gotten bigger. So our image is going to be 3 times larger from the center of dilation. All right, so I totally forgot one last thing. We're going to say right here is the origin. That makes more sense. That's why language wasn't my strong suit. Okay, so just to keep it together, remember that when we dilate, we have a scale factor. That's always going to be given to you with how much you have to multiply your coordinates by or how long the lengths have to be by. But once you do that, you can figure out the image points and then draw your object. That's it for now. Good luck, friends. Rock on.